Camera lang. Tabi kayo ni ate.
Very good.
Yeah.
love you, la 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 la. I love you, la la la.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
Oh, flying kiss kayo. Flying.
Very good.
Yeah.
Later you dance also, yung dance nyo, okay? You're going to dance. Ha?
Sige po. Dito lang sila? Or... Madam, parang mic lang to ha. Dito mo lang siya around. Kaya mahawakan at the same time?
Okay.
Madam, kasama ka sa nag-plan nitong ano.
Yes.
Kamusta yung process nung pagpaplano? May mga secrets ba na muntik nang mabunyag or
Oo, medyo marami. Since,
simulan mo dun sa sa question ko. Actually, secret to tapos may maraming muntik na mabunyag dun. parang-
sorry, di kasi, yes, actually secret to, pero marami,
Okay,
kinakabahan ako.
Kinakabahan ka.
Wait lang. Sino ba dumating? Okay. Yeah, actually secret to, pero medyo marami ng plans yung malapit ng buko. Since marami rin silang tanong, tsaka kasama namin sila araw-araw.
Oh, paano yung naging style nyo na may tago sa kanila?
Lumalayo kami para mag-usap-usap, mag-ganon.
Paano kayo nag-came up sa decision na eto, na gumawa ng ganito?
Paano ba yun?
Paano kayo nag-came up na gumawa ng ganitong decision? Like, halimbawa, magkatabi lang kayo sa gabi, tapos, uy, gawa na kayo ng party. Paano ba? Paano nag-start?
Actually, it was after the pandemic na we were so thankful na natapos na yung pandemic. So it's really a great time to celebrate. And talagang very deserving kasi talaga si Mommy Ana and Daddy Kaloy. So there was one time that we were talking, dapat sa restaurant lang talaga. But you know, as
Parang
as parents
mas
na
deserve
sobrang
nila yung
bait.
ganito kalaking celebration.
They really deserve
Yeah.
a grand celebration. So we are also thankful to all those people who helped us make all these things possible for them. So, yeah.
Okay. Kayo po, anak talaga, Nina.
Oo.
May kwento kang funny story or funny na ginagawa nila? Kagawian, gano'n.
Wala.
Okay na siguro yun?
Okay na yun, wag mo na pahabain.
Huwag masyadong marami yung
Oo, pipili lang naman actually.
Na ako.
Okay, sige.